This is Irvine.
This is Cora.
She's my bestie.
She is Sasaki.
Now, hello, welcome back to our second session. In this session, we'll be discussing and showcasing our extensive range of floor box, their key features, applications, and benefits.
So what basically are floor boxes?
Floor boxes are electrical outlets that are installed into a wall area rather than into a wall. Often, a floor box will be equipped with a metal plate to protect the outlet and wiring, along with a cover that prevents dust and other material from collecting in the outlet when the device is not in use. Outlets of this type are usually found in hideaways and living rooms of homes, as well as in conference room or other larger gathering areas, in offices and public buildings.
As with any type of outlet, the floor outlet is intended to allow easy access to electrical current because the plug can be placed at any point along the floor. It is possible to strategically position several outlets within a space, creating easy access to electricity even when a power source is needed somewhere other than along a wall. When not in use, covers snap or sliding into place in order to protect the outlets and also to allow the floor to retain a smooth surface.
Beneath the surface of the floor, the configuration of the floor outlet is similar to that of standard wall outlet. The plugs are housed in a base box and normally connect to a junction box that helps regulate electric power flow. Wiring runs from the outlet box to central junction in the same manner that electrical wiring runs through walls to a central power source.
The general recommendation is to utilize metal plates with floor outlets. Durable metal is much less likely to be damaged if the outlet is stepped on when not in use. The metal covers can hold up well to a lot of weight, which will help to keep the general appearance of the outlet simple and clean.
In terms of function and appearance, a floor box can be helpful in many situations. In the conference room, an outlet in the floor under the conference table makes it much easier to plug in audiovisual equipment without running extension cords to a wall outlet. In the home, the presence of a floor outlet in the living room is arranging the furnishings since major seating areas do not have to remain near a wall in order to include the presence of accent lamps in the grouping.
There are two types of floor applications: concrete floors and raised or access floors. Installing a floor outlet is very similar to installation of a wall outlet. As any type of electrical wiring project, it is recommended that the installation only be performed by a certified professional electrician.